Okay, folks, I got yet another treat for you guys. You got to like and subscribe to my channel to keep seeing this stuff. I keep digging up these beauties, man. I got one for you right here. Not only the GTX was it cool, and the DeSoto. I got some more DeSotos coming up too. I got several DeSotos I've done. But check this out. Check this beauty out. Now this is a 1960 Chevy Impala. Okay, now what's cool about this car? This was an original 348 Tri Power car. Now how do we know that? Okay, we know it's a 348 because the Chevy emblem here did not come on a 348 car. It came with the cross flags. So he knows somebody's changed those out. Now, more proof. Get up under the hood here. And she's currently sporting a 283. The fuel line, if you'll look, you'll see the fuel line on the frame, and it comes around below and underneath the control arm. And it's a 3/8 tube. Only 348s had that. Only 348s. The small block cars, the fuel line ran down the other side of the frame rail. It also has the wide fan shroud that only 348s had. Now, to make sure we got a Tri Power car, if I can get in here, it's gonna be a little hard to do, but if you look on the firewall, you'll see two little holes in there. There you are. Okay, I can see them. I'm looking through the camera and I can see them. That's where the coil was mounted. On the 348 Tri Power cars only, the coil was mounted there. That's a telltale sign. Now, we're going down to the back of the car. More evidence we got a Tri Power car. Tri Power, the 348s. More evidence we got a 348 car. The 348 had the cross flag. Now that's what would have been on the grill where the bow tie emblem is. Somebody has changed that out. So now we go around the car to the inside. And this thing's special to what, folks? You see it's a manual transmission. It was originally a 3-speed on the column. Now he has got the correct transmission, and he's also got a 348 engine. He's going to put it back to the 348, and he's going to put a 4-speed behind it. A Muncie 4-speed. Okay, now let's do a little walk around here. This is going to be a bit of a long video, but this car deserves it. That is one classic styling right there, folks. Check that out. Now, this is a project, obviously. Thought she was last on the road in August of '89, 31 years ago, in a few months. I'm out of breath. I'm so excited I'm out of breath, folks. I just can't believe this. This is unbelievable. This is one of the coolest cars I've videoed. And I don't know if you've seen my videos. I have videoed some cool ones. But we're moving way up the food chain on this one. I mean, they don't get much prettier than this. Definitely a desirable car. It's worth a lot of money. Look at that spear, that rocket spear. That space age. It's like George Jetson was working in the design department. That must have been what he did for a living. I'm gonna open this door here. I mean, it's got 1960s all over. It just oozes 1960s. For all you old gearheads like myself, you just grew up on this kind of stuff. You gotta love it. Check out that. Check out that. I think that's a speaker back behind there. Talking about between in the seat there. This right here. I mean, this is nice. Look at this. Look at this right here. I wonder if that lights up. The owner is standing right off the camera, and he's a little camera shy, but I think that may be a lighted. I'm not sure. A wraparound windshield. So classic. You know, I actually bought a car from a junkyard. It was a 4-door. And back in the old eBay days. And it was a complete car. It was a small block, and I was going to part it out, and the guy from Tennessee contacted me, and it was actually about this time of year. It's during Thanksgiving, and he ended up driving up. He had family in the area. He drove up with his trailer and bought the whole darn car from me. It was 60, I believe, 60 or 61. Check out the back end of that. I mean, that man came all the way from Tennessee to North Carolina during the Thanksgiving holidays with an empty trailer to buy an old 4-door Chevy been sitting in the junkyard. He was tickled to death when he got that car. You gotta love this. Now we're gonna open up the trunk here. See, she's not rotted out. She does have some issues, but she is far from those little hole right there. And here's the chrome skirts, stainless. I guess these are stainless skirts. And there's some extra tail lights. And you can see this original trunk seal is all but bit the dust there. And check out this right here. Oh man, you guys gotta love the styling on these old cars. Look at that. A little ding right here. Yeah, this is beautiful right here. This is beautiful. And we got that nice piece of chrome across the back. I don't care if you're a Chevy guy, a Mopar guy, a Ford guy. You just got to appreciate stuff like this. Again, folks, subscribe to my channel, like my channel, comment, be cool. We're out here sharing this stuff. These guys are nice enough to share this stuff with me. We don't discriminate. We do some of the vintage imports, GM cars. You've seen them stuff. Ford cars. We got some Mopars coming up. We try to treat these guys with respect and class because they're out here busting their butt to make these cars, save these cars and make them look presentable, and sometimes way beyond presentable. All right, folks. I think you've seen pretty much everything. We'll touch bases with this guy. He's not too far from me, and see how the progress goes. And like I say, he's got all these other cars here. We're filming all these cars, the GTX, the Hemi DeSoto, and the Triumph. So the Triumph is going to be the next one we're going to film. So hope you enjoyed the video, folks. I really do. And please subscribe, and we'll keep on rocking. I have got leads on all kind of stuff. We're making friends, and they're telling their friends, and we're just going to keep on bringing you this cool stuff. All right, take care, folks.